Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh. Come and buy solar plus freezer combo. This is the best combo in the market for less than 800,000 naira. It consists of 199-liter Hisense freezer plus itel 500 watts all-in-one inverter plus itel 590 watt solar panel. Wetin this one mean be say you no need worry about NEPA light at all for your items to stay frozen 247. Whether na cool business you dey do, you na beer parlour, whether you just wan buy freezer make your items no spoil for house, this na the perfect package for less than 800,000 naira. And the good thing be say the freezer e go work with NEPA light, normal NEPA light, e go work with solar. This is the perfect package that you can buy. So anything wey you dey do, as far as say you want dey do block, you want get block, you want make your food dey blocked, you want make anything dey blocked, this is the perfect package for you to buy. Oh yeah, 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 starts now. Click on the button, come and buy now. And with CDK you can pay small. Pay small with CDK.
Where did you buy it, CDK?